Hello, I am Dr. Gopal Chawla, working in Metro Center of Respiratory Diseases under Metro Group of Hospitals. As we all know, we are coming out of COVID-19 pandemic and it has affected our lives grievously. So we are coming slowly, gradually and strongly. So while coming out of this COVID-19 pandemic, the new drive by Government of India, which is COVID-19 vaccination drive, has provided much needed sense of relief and belief. There are two kinds of vaccine which have been approved by Government of India. One is Covaxin and other is Covishield. Both the vaccines are totally safe and has gone under various trials and safety precautions, and they are totally safe to be used by general population. The Government of India has initiated this COVID-19 vaccine in a phased manner. The first phase include the frontline workers, which include healthcare workers, police, and all those people who are at the front line being exposed to COVID-19. While in second phase, the geriatric population, the one who are aged above 60, and the ones of age above 45, along with various comorbidities. There are 20 comorbidities which has been sanctioned by the Government of India, will be given this COVID-19 vaccine. There are three contraindications to COVID-19 vaccine. The one is children below 18 years because it has not been tested in them, pregnant and lactating women because similarly it has not been tested in them during trials, and another one is the one who has severe allergic reactions, means those who had the allergic reactions, anaphylactic shock. These are the patients should not take COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine has very few side effects, and those are very mild in nature. Initially, the 5% reports having the pain in the injection site area, 2% had generalized body ache, 2% had around headache, and around 2 to 3% only had a fever which lasted for 1 to 2 days. Though in some patients it has been observed that fever lasts for more than 2 days, and it is a high-grade fever. There is no need to worry about that. Just a small analgesics and antipyretic will help you overcome these conditions. But what I believe and what we at the center believe, that everyone when get chance should get themselves vaccinated and make this vaccination drive, which is a national drive, successful. After first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, whether you have taken Covishield or Covaxin, the second dose is repeated after 28 days. And whatever the vaccine you have received in the first time, you have to get that one only. If it was Covishield, the second vaccine should be Covishield. If you have received Covaxin, the second vaccine should be Covaxin. And only after 2 weeks of the second dose, you become immune to COVID-19 infection. Efficacy of the vaccine, which have been seen in various trials, ranges from 75 to 91%. So one should, whenever there is a chance, you should get yourself vaccinated and makes this drive successful. But there are certain things you should keep in mind. Whenever you get this vaccine, you may experience mild side effects, and that should not discourage you from a second dose of vaccine. It has been shown that you should not take alcohol, and you should keep practicing social distancing, keep wearing face mask and hygiene. Whenever your number comes for COVID-19 vaccine, one should get themselves vaccinated and should encourage others also to get themselves vaccinated, because together we can and we will make the difference. Thank you.